Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. For the past 48 to 72 hours, Nnamdi Kanu legal team have been battling to see how they can get the best results, for Nnamdi Kanu to see how he can come out unconditionally or at best how he can get a bail. But as we speak, there's still some persons within the group or within the confines of Nnamdi Kanu's circle of friends who seem not to want that at all. In fact, wants the exact opposite, and is bringing out information, bringing out details that could be used against Nnamdi Kanu, and in fact, is even encouraging the federal government to do the needful. Well, before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's quickly go straight into the news. Well, Asari Dokubo, the leader of the Niger Delta People's Salvation Force, that's NDPSF, I take that again, NDPSF, says he does not support the calls by some Igbo leaders for the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's IPOB, that's Nnamdi Kanu in person. Nnamdi Kanu in particular. Kanu, who has been in custody of the Department of State Services, that's DSS in Abuja, for over 6 months now, has been pushing for the disintegration of Nigeria and the creation of a sovereign state of Biafra. He's been charged with treason, among other offenses, by the Nigerian government. Asari Dokubo says Kanu should not be released because he instigated violence, and his influence propelled his followers to continue wreaking havoc in Southeast region. They will come and be begging. He's talking now. That's Asari Dokubo talking now. He said they will come and be begging. That's the federal government to bring out Nnamdi Kanu. For what? Asari asked. For the people that he is bringing down. You take Urumiri, then eat the flesh of them. You accuse your governors. They are afraid. They cannot talk, Asari Dokubo said in his social media live video as at Thursday night, which is yesterday night. He also continued. He said, what these evil men are doing to our people. Do they have hearts? You take traditional rulers, you chain them. I take that again. He said, you take traditional, that's Asari Dokubo talking now. He said, you take traditional rulers, you chain them, you put instruments inside their mouth. From your own videos, that traditional rulers are the people. Okay, from your own videos, you said that traditional rulers are the people who are not allowing Biafra to come, that they are the people who have connived not to allow Biafra to come. He asked again, this is bad. Well, this particular video have been, not this particular video, there have been like 2-3 videos now Asari Dokubo have been releasing back to back, and they seem to have a strong evidence. In fact, at some point he said he was going to smoke, that he promised Nnamdi Kanu that was going to smoke him out when he went to Kenya, that Nnamdi Kanu went to Kenya. It was his longer throat of 1 billion naira, so one something, as I think some huge amount of money that was used to lure him out. In that bid, and when he was lured out, behold, voila, he was found here in Nigeria. And he said that Nnamdi Kanu have been doing a lot, have been instigating so much violence in South. He said, in fact, the video is, due to some of the words he said, we couldn't carry it on our platform, but the video, he said quite a lot. He said he had a number of children, and he's not jealous of Nnamdi Kanu, that he encouraged. I said, I can't recall all, but he did say a lot. But now let's just feel the pulse of Nigerians, because of course Nigerians have also decided to react to what Asari Dokubo has got to say. This one here is saying, after you have duped him, why will you accept his release, knowing fully well that he will fight? Tell us what you are doing for a living. Okay, someone here is saying that, I don't know how through, but someone here is saying that Asari Dokubo duped Nnamdi Kanu, and for that reason, Nnamdi Kanu, he wouldn't want Nnamdi Kanu to come out because Nnamdi Kanu will fight back. I think that was sometime in 2021, early 2021. I'm not sure of the exact date now, but there was something about one the 20,000 or 20 million or 20,000 that was going on between saying that they gave him money, and they say what money, the little money used to, so many things of financial misappropriation between them. But I think Nnamdi Kanu trashed it out at some point. I don't know. This one here is saying, they release you during your activities in Creek kidnapping, expatriate and stealing Nigeria crude oil. Okay, I don't know. I guess this was IPOB members or Biafran lovers that are actually coming for him. This one here is saying, can Asari Dokubo look back and remember him and his boys were also doing against the Nigerian government, reasons best known to him, and I still believe Dokubo is still on payroll. This one here is saying, do you know how many innocent people that have gone down in the name of Okerika community? Asari, men hold your profile. Just be watching. I don't understand what it means. I don't understand what this particular statement means. Maybe anybody who understand what that means can just comment in our comment section. This one says, Asari, you are not using your head right now. So I said, sorry, you are making too much noise. Try and keep quiet. Your utterances will be used against you. Try not to overtalk yourself. Okay, so people are telling him to calm down so that people do not think his hands are in the repatriation of Nnamdi Kanu, that he should calm down. Well, Asari Dokubo is one man army as well. Asari Dokubo is one person who in his heydays, who doesn't know Asari Dokubo in his heydays, the Creek and the rest, as such that if you must go through elections or politicking and you don't go through Asari Dokubo in his heydays, then you're not ready. So for him to say what, I guess he knows what he's saying. But all he's saying is that, obviously, from all his comments, he has been saying that the reason why the Southeasterners are not talking, or the elders or leaders of Southeasterners are not talking, is because they are scared. According to us, if you watch the video, that man does not sound like a man who's scared. He said with boldness. He said it, and he did not retrieve his words. So that's to tell you that whatever it is, he knows what. This is somebody who understands the dynamics of being a militant. So I think he knows what he's into. And since he's saying the Southeastern elders and leaders they are scared of speaking up, that he isn't scared. He isn't scared at all. From all indication, I don't think he's scared either, because he's saying this with boldness and is telling the Southeasterners to rise up and stop the mayhem going on in Southeast now before it turns to something else totally. He said that about 3 years ago that he warned Southeasterners that this is going to come, and it's gradually coming to pass, and he hopes that they will rise up and do the needful. I don't know what the needful there means. This one here is saying, this guy, Asari Dokubo, does not want to understand that this thing is beyond him. Okay, that's where we're going to wrap it up. A lot of comments have been made here. Let's visit our comment section. Please, no hate words. Just contribute yours. What do you think about what Asari is saying, about what is happening in Southeast Nnamdi Kanu's case? Let's interact, please. No hate words again.